President Aquino spearheaded the inauguration of 4 bridges in the new circumferential road in the city of Iloilo. The president also visited other construction projects, including the Convention Center for the Apex Summit, road widening and relocation sites. The full report from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino inaugurated significant infrastructure projects in Western Visayas to improve tourism, connectivity, and business efficiency in the area. 4 billion pesos of infrastructure projects of roads expansion, social housing units, bridges, and major regional facilities. One project is the more than 2 billion Iloilo Conferential Road that will serve as a major component of the road network in Metro Iloilo. The 700 million Iloilo Convention Center designed to position Iloilo as a prime convention destination in the Visayas, and the 500 million Senator Benigno Aquino Jr. Avenue conducive to pedestrian and bikers. The improvement is also part of Iloilo City's preparations to host the APEC ministerial meeting in 2015.
Malinaw po. Tapos na ang panahong ilan lang ang nakikinabang sa kabanbayan. Hindi na nagpapatupad ang pamahalaan ng mga proyektong pampapogi lang.
The President stressed that many of the Filipinos chose to take the straight path of governance.
Parati ko sinasabing, hindi ko ginawa mag-isa to. Binigyan ako ng pagkakataon ng sambayanan. At tinignan ho nyo ang resulta. Yun lang ho naman ang formula. Piliin natin ang tama, tutungo tayo sa dapat kalagyan. Piliin natin yung talagang maglilingkod sa atin at hindi maghahari-hari sa atin.
In his visit to Iloilo, the President formally turned over 1,000 low-cost housing units to beneficiaries. The 170 million Iloilo River Subdivision Phase 1 is now home to 1,000 families who used to live on the bank of the river.
Ang 100 milyong piso po nagmula sa ating 2011 Disbursement Acceleration Program o DAP. Ang nalalabi naman mahigit 69 milyong piso mula sa 2011 General Appropriations Act o GAA. Konkretong patuloy po ito sa pagiging epektibo ng ating sistema sa pagpopondo. Kitang-kita nga po kapag sa tapat ginamit ang pondong mula sa buwis na pinaghirapan ng taong bayan, may kaukulan nitong benepisyo sa Pilipino at hindi napupunta lang sa bulsa ng ilang mapanlamang.
Senate President Franklin Drilon, an Ilonggo native, thanked the President for his support to spur economic growth in Western Visayas.
Hindi po malilimutan ng mga Ilonggo ang lahat na kabutihan na ginawa mo dito.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.